So we have a system of simultaneous equations here. I'm going to refer to the first as equation 1 and the second as equation 2. I'm going to solve these using the substitution method. So from equation 1, which is 3x plus y is equal to minus 2, I can tell that y then is equal to minus 3x minus 2. Transpose the 3x to the right-hand side, it becomes negative. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to substitute y is equal to minus 3x minus 2 into equation number 2. Equation number 2 says 4x plus 3y is equal to 4. So now wherever I see y, I'm going to put this. So 4x plus 3 minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 4. 4x minus 9x minus 6 is equal to 4. So now I have 4x minus 9x is minus 5x is equal to 4 plus 6. This minus 6 is transposed to the right side. It becomes positive. So x then is equal to 10 divided by minus 5. Divide by minus 5 on both sides. So x then is equal to minus 2. So I have one of my solutions. Now I'm going to substitute x is equal to minus 2 into any of my equations. I'm going to choose equation 1. So equation 1 says 3x plus y is equal to minus 2. So wherever I see x now, I'll put minus 2. So 3 times a minus 2 plus y is equal to minus 2. So this is minus 6 plus y is equal to minus 2. So y then is equal to minus 2 plus 6. Again, we transposed. So then y is equal to 4. So my solution set x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. I've solved this using the substitution method. What I'm going to do now is solve the same problem using the elimination method. Now, I should get the same answer. It's the same system of equations. So I should get the same answer. So let's again recall what the answers are. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. Okay? So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to eliminate one of these variables. I'm going to choose to multiply equation 1 by minus 3. Now, before I proceed with that, let me explain why I'm doing that. I'm looking to eliminate y. And if I have a minus 3y plus a 3y, that's going to give me 0y. Hence, it's been eliminated. But I can't just multiply the y in that equation. I've got to multiply everything in that equation by minus 3. So minus 3 times 3x is minus 9x. Minus 3y is equal to positive 6. Minus 3 times a minus 2 is a positive 6. We did nothing to equation 2, so that stays the same. And as we can see, here the y's cancel each other. Minus 9x plus 4x is a minus 5x. 6 plus 4 is 10. Divide both sides by minus 5. I'm going to get x is equal to minus 2. So I'm halfway home. I'm going to substitute x is equal to minus 2, again, into any of the equations. So let's try equation number 2 in this case. So I'm going to write out that equation in its original form. And now wherever I see x, I'll put a minus 2. So this is 4 times a minus 2 plus 3y is equal to 4. 4 times a minus 2 is minus 8 plus 3y is equal to 4. So 3y is equal to 4 plus 8. On the left-hand side, it was negative. I transposed it. So 3y is equal to 12. Hence, y is equal to 12 divided by 3, which is 4. So my solution set, x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. This was a method of elimination. Again, let's double check to make sure that's the same answer we got. X is equal to minus 2, y is equal to 4. So you can see it doesn't matter the method that you utilize. You have options here. So if you like this video, if it was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up. Share it and be sure to check out some of the other videos that I have here that you'll find very helpful.